Hello everyone. Today I am going to show how to use VLOOKUP function. This is the customer data I have. This is not the real data. I made up this data for myself. Let's imagine my manager sent me these customer IDs and asked me to find the remaining data such as customer name, AR balance, and currency for these customer IDs. Okay. If I try to if I try to find all these information manually, it would take a lot of time from me, right? Here VLOOKUP function comes handy. Let's see how VLOOKUP function works. But before starting, I would like to mention two key rules we should consider while using VLOOKUP function. The lookup value, in our case, it's the customer ID, must be in the first column in our VLOOKUP table array. Let me explain it. My lookup value is the customer ID. So first column in our table array should contain customer ID as well. And the second rule is that VLOOKUP function can only look up a value from left to right, Let me explain it. VLOOKUP will search the data located on the right side of customer ID, on the right side of the customer ID. Okay? Now let's start using VLOOKUP function. Equal VLOOKUP, open parenthesis. Down here, VLOOKUP function shows what to do. Lookup value. In our case, it is customer ID. Let's choose it, comma. Table array. We choose the table array, comma. Column index. So we are looking for customer name. Customer name is the second column in our table array. So let's put 2, comma. We are looking for exact match. So let's click on exact match. Close the parenthesis, enter. So we have customer name, Elizabeth Jimenez, and Elizabeth Jimenez here. Customer ID is 4555 and customer ID here is 4555. It's correct. Imagine we have 15 columns here, okay? 15 columns or 20 columns here, okay? So to fill each column, we must insert a new VLOOKUP function in each column, okay? And repeat all the steps. It would take a lot of time from us. How about copying and pasting formula to each column? Would it work? Let's try. We can copy paste the formula in two ways. Copy on our keyboard, Alt ES formulas. Okay? Or we can copy paste the formula like that. Right click, click on the function sign. Did it work? We are looking for AR balance, but we see country here. Something is wrong. What's wrong? Let's click on F2 function on our keyboard. If we click on F2 function on our keyboard, we see that VLOOKUP table array move to the right side and customer ID move to the right side as well. Okay, that's why Excel didn't bring AR balance. So how we can fix it? What's the problem? The problem is that we didn't use, when we inserted the VLOOKUP function here, we didn't use absolute reference. We used relative reference. What I'm trying to say is that when we initially inserted the VLOOKUP function here, we didn't put the dollar sign in front of the columns. That's why when we copy paste the formula to the right side, table array moves to the right side as well. Let's fix it. Let's start from scratch. Equal VLOOKUP customer ID. Okay. On our keyboard, let's click on the F4 function. 1, 2, 3. Now we have dollar sign in front of the column K, comma, customer, our VLOOKUP table array. Let's click on F4 function once. Now we have dollar sign in front of column E and column I, comma. Okay, we are looking for customer name. It's the second column in our table array. Okay, let's put 2. And we can put 0 or we can choose false. Close the parenthesis. Okay, let's copy paste the formula to the right side. Alt ES formulas. Still we have customer name, but not the AR balance. Why? Because AR balance is the one, two, three, four, fourth column in our VLOOKUP table array. That's why we have to change column here from 2 to 4. And also here, if I check, I see that currency is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth column in our table array. So that's why we have to change 2 to 5. Okay, let's choose all three together. And here on the right down here in the cell, we see small, very small square. If we click on that 2 times, Excel will fill up the remaining information. All right. Okay. Now let's see how HLOOKUP function works. Okay. Let's copy paste all data from here. Okay. Alt ES on our keyboard. Let's transpose data. Okay. Now we have customer data here. Let's go back to VLOOKUP. Okay. Let's choose this table as well. You come back here, down here, Alt ES. Let's transpose data. Okay. So let's delete all the information we need. Okay. Now let's see how HLOOKUP function works. Equal H. Let's choose the function. Okay. So we are looking for customer name. Let's choose it. In this case, we will not put the dollar sign in front of the column. We will put the dollar sign in front of a row number. Okay. Let's click on F4 function. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's repeat it. 1, 2, 3. Now we have dollar sign in front of the row number. Okay, comma. Let's choose all the data. Okay, and in here we're gonna click on F4 function once, comma. We are looking for customer ID, which is the second row in our VLOOKUP table array, HLOOKUP table array, right? So let's put 2, comma, 0, or exact match. Close the parentheses. Enter. Okay. Now let's copy paste the formula down here to AR balance and currency. Alt ES formula. Okay. Let's change the row number from 2 to 3 because AR balance, sorry, to 4 because AR balance is the fourth row in our HLOOKUP table, right? So let's change it to from 2 to 4. Okay, let's copy paste the formula down to currency. Alt ES formula. And here we have to change the number row number from 4 to 5 because the currency is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth row. Okay. Okay. Let's choose all three and copy till the end. Here we go. Excel filled up all the remaining rows for us. Okay. In this video, I showed you how to use VLOOKUP function and HLOOKUP function. Okay. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.